Repsol Cup Carlos Sainz competing for Ford won the Acropolis among others on the Sunday afternoon. Doesn't like sticking her head out the window and feeling the ears flap in the wind. That's absolutely perfect. I'm not sure it's good for the aero though. Well, there you go. Who cares? The dog's been in the car in the paddock as part of the display. Of course, TWR when they ran these. Just to put it in context, if a car of this decade can't beat a Jaguar of 1959, there's some explaining to do. But it's an illustration of how quick Grant Williams is because this is 58.39. Sticking her head out the window and feeling the ears flap in the wind. That's absolutely perfect. I'm not sure it's good for the aero though. Well, there you go. Who cares? The dog's been in the car. Five-cylinder 850 estate. He has got the largest collection of racing Volvos in his boot that you could therefore make into a real and of course they rather famously or infamously did race at Alton Park because it all got paid. He has got the large. Now we associate this man with Le Mans victories, with Audi, but this weekend he's going up again. Battling with the turbocharged gear, and then in the early He has got the largest collection of racing Volvos in the world. He's probably not up against a lot of...
Where the jet's going, he's flying a manoeuvre that the other jets are formating on. What I'm doing is looking out for the safety.
And now for 155 Silverstone that dominated the British touring car. He's a very spectacular driver indeed, and he is not going to be the quickest, of course, but he's going to be good value. He's not going to be the quickest, of course, but he's going to be good value, and I've just noticed there's another significant driver change. Thank you.